Dear mourners, and my name is Okori Adib. You are my speakers. On go. Very well played. A male dog. When a male dog is about to face death, it loses the sense of smell. It cannot smell even death. Our President, Prime Minister, all the visitors, owners, Vice President, Prime Minister, and all the leaders, particularly cultural leaders, and all of you in your various capacities. I thank you most sincerely. Olanya was not just my son, he was a son to the whole country. Government may Uganda add public and for Lana, take a job, a mind, I don't want to have to plead a lot with the government of Uganda, but I want the government to know that Olanya has been taking care of very many people who depended on him. I thought the head of state would be here in person. I believe other duties have not allowed him to be here in person. Now you who have come to represent him, take my message clearly to the head of state. Olanya started a lot of initiatives back home here. All of them are incomplete. The government of Uganda has started completing the house he started. The government of Uganda should complete the house that Olanya started. We expect the government to complete that house so that it is put to work and the income that will come from that house to take care of Jacob's family, including his grandchildren. The children you see in front of you are all children of school-going age. Now they have nobody to support them. They are on their own. I appeal to the government not to abandon them, but to take care of them. The government should help them to complete their studies to the highest level possible, in line with the dream of their father, in line with my own dream as their grandfather, so that the same children and grandchildren can help the nation.
Jacob, Amadong Komeperi.
Jacob, who is no longer with us,
and keep on and bear well, I mean, I do Ukori, about one kid, you and one man, currently where you need to get your teacher to government and make Uganda. When you do a body and you get
Jacob had a law firm, and he had invited his sister, Muzee L Okori, who is a lawyer with a master's degree, to work with him. Since Jacob's death, that law firm is closed. I appeal to the government to take care of Muzee L Okori, Jacob's sister, because she's qualified. She is a lawyer with a master's degree. She should be deployed appropriately.
I don't think it is my big Jamaican man. I can't put it on my career. They know and they go by your mood. Don't hear one day the message me, what I mean, where competitive according to you, kind of one. The entire cow one, no pain, no word. How well get that?
That same sister of Jacob, Adong, like other sisters and brothers, also have children. All of these need education. Jacob's focus was on education. Because when a person is educated, they can add value to society. They need support.
Oh, military mona, Tikerino, and one, and no can put their one master. Oh, if you can, good code and good pay of one. I said, good doing my career, and no can keep get to them little one, a wedding government.
Jacob's brother, Francis Joel and Mona, also has children. They all depended on Jacob. I appeal to the government to intervene and support them also.
Prime Minister Lili Binu, Mundikere Wang, President, Kopama Keri Nimunu, Nena Chapin of yesterday.
The Prime Minister and Your Excellency the Vice President, I appeal to you to consider these matters of tabled before you seriously.
Speaker, Leopold, and Jacob Papa, Papa,
Speaker, you are now the Speaker occupying the chair Jacob occupied. Jacob was like a father to us. You have now to take that position and play that role of a parent. And particularly to Muzee Okori. Madam Speaker, that is Muzee Okori's request to you to be a parent and do what Jacob used to do for him.
Igamoi. Asking a man on the world where he Anna Kubni Jamna Rato Atipa Bukuri, until don't go it. And then mortgage to you.
Your Lordship, the Chief Justice, before my son Jacob went for treatment, and since I told you I would tell you some things in confidence, some of the things that you are supposed to do, which you promised to do, you have done. I need your help, because my son Jacob left me in your hands. Your Lordship, the Chief Justice.
Ako man, dahil mara buyo, rede o tunto jamin na buben, na Jacob ucaho ugon kere, dongin na calo ugon ke, yen yo mendoro, jamna Jacob patipa, kwanay, kwanay.
Your Lordship, the Chief Justice, I have learned that a certain lady is meddling with Jacob's estate, tampering and hiding documents. You are the one in charge of laws in Uganda. I want you to safeguard Jacob's estate from meddlers.
And ako Jacob kumio ya grupo de Borota yang dia membantu ikan biasa awara dong tero aja tinggung bor aku kira aku ngatu miliar.
I am not mourning in vain. I want to state clearly, Jacob was poisoned. He told me, and he was operated. Doctors attempted to deal with the poison. The poison affected his health so badly. By the time he was thrown out for treatment, he was not in a position to recover. He was too weak.
Maro in Namami Boru, Mumukumu, Into Mohamed, Mekoduha, okay. No worry, Abu.
You, the mourners, please receive this information from me in good faith. My son has died. He is now gone. We will never see him again. Thank you.